I haven't made a recap in a little bit, but it's been a long month. So I'm just gonna do this on the 5 minute because 5 minute I'm gonna need it. So this is I think the biggest win I had of this month. So here's Friday of SAGE. Stalking it. It got really extended. Trying to see where I entered. It broke the trend, and I entered about right here after the trend break, somewhere in here where the this line is, and I had a stop. It must have been somewhere above here in this area. Actually a really far stop, because on Friday I had to leave for work around the time I entered the trade, and I didn't want to I didn't want to just lose money on the trade. It had gotten really extended that day, and I was looking for I had to pay myself. I had around right here where this happened, because I had a limit to pay myself around there. I'm trying to find where, if I can remember. It had to be around this area. There was some sort of support line somewhere, because it was still there. Anyways, it opened up and it crashed. I hit the double top at the end of the day, or came up here, and then it so Christmas happens. We have the 3-day weekend. Today's Tuesday, and it crashes. It collects my first profit and comes all the way down here, and I don't even check in back on it until around here. So all of this happened while I was away. I wasn't even active this morning. So I took profits. I made this trend line. I took profits on it, just because might as well take more profits. It was following a trend, it had already been come down so much. I wasn't just gonna wait. I should have. If I was active, I would have taken more profits on this candle right here. But anyways, it's around the same spot anyway, so it doesn't really matter. But it broke this trend, and now I still have 20 shares left, just in case it wants to go any further down. I think I'm really eyeing around this area right here, hoping it comes down to here. We got this support level right here too, but we got a lot of support. It still needs to break the double bottom, which it's created pretty much. But it does look a little heavy, so I do have this stop right here around a little above VWAP, just in case it does want to come up to VWAP and test VWAP and come back down. But if it comes up to VWAP and breaks VWAP, it'll stop out, and I'll still get that last 107 from it. So that's my best win in a while, and that's kind of I don't want to say lucky, but I didn't work all too hard for that. Really, I didn't. And it could have gone against me. If my stop was set really tight. I remember setting the stop. I was just like, okay, I'm gonna just bam, set it. Risked a lot on that, but the reward was even better. So the other one is actually the exact same play, because on Friday I did a Finvis scan for overextended stocks, and LOXO was the same thing, and it actually did the same thing. It didn't do it as drastically, so I'm not going to really explain that. I don't know if I collected any profits on it, actually. Yeah, I don't think I had any. but it's a very small win right now. I'm not even, I have a, you know what, I might have taken profit, there might have been profits on, Friday, or was there? Yeah, it looks like there was. I just can't see it now, but I wouldn't, yeah, I do think there was some sort of profit taking on Friday, and, that I'm not aware of, because I know I didn't go in with just 30 shares. And then, you know, it crashed, or it stayed crashing, or falling, crashing is a harsh word, and it's still going, so I just have a stop above the close, and that's about it. I did take a crack at Amazon today. I was going to take another crack at it before it loads. There was a double top that I want to take. I don't know what it looks like now, but since I already lost it today, I wasn't going to. I know my computer's very slow. Very slow. I do want a new computer. Yeah, okay. So the double top doesn't really seem to be working all too well. I didn't take it for a reason. I took this because there is a trend line here. What is this, the 1 minute? Okay, I drew the trend line like this, and it broke and made a lower high, so that's why I entered. It was kind of like it wasn't a lot of money risked. You know, the reward was a lot better than the risk, so I took it. And with the SAGE winner, I just, you know, I figured might as well, you know, I'm up a lot of money. So I think I lost around $20 on this trade, maybe less. My first target was going to be around under here somewhere. Where was it? Yeah, about right here. It didn't quite make it around there. It almost did. And when it broke, I cut the loss short. So that's it. Probably think the best day of December so far, and December's almost over. So.